So the work utilizes geometry and space to try and, so there isn't a kind of a message there, but there's a kind of experience for the viewer to do with space and color. And because the wall is curved, the work looks different depending on where you view it from, so from one side of the room or the other. So I wanted to make something that might have a little bit of depth and where you might kind of find things in it over time, and that's, so far people seem to like it. So. It's a reflection space, so kind of a multi-faith space in the hospital where people come for meditation or counselling or prayer or just some peace and quiet. I had a visit where I brought some timber pieces and we put them on the wall and we looked at how they worked. So there was a kind of a process involving people in the hospital in the development of the work. I wanted to make some work that would appeal to people from a variety of religious backgrounds, or even people with no religious background, but just something that kind of spoke to people.